Crosswind na sinakyan ng kasawa niyang si Alfonso at anak na si Lia. Namatay ang dalawa sa insidente noong December. Lagi nilang sinasabi
may lights?
pero wala. Pinanindigan din ng PNP na ang mga suspect ang bumaril sa mga dilera.
The remarks of the White Rebel believed to be the members of the the group of OCD that were the one who
BJ
in the group of Colonel Gutierrez and the one who is riding the crossway.
ayaw.
Sa mga sagot ng mga pulis.
I don't think this is plain and simple case of we cannot
My name is Ark. Sige na, God, baby. Oh, baby, sige na. My name. Ika dito kang baby, ni kang BJ pahid. My name is Ark Aaron. Bibi.
The prototype existed in Japan a long time ago.
Ikaw di.
Identified as being anthrax.
These training dummies are packed with
Hala!
state-of-the-art technologies that simulate
Amay
Somehow
ka.
we could help their hope with the increasing cost of living.
Sige! Haha! Aswang! Ha! Sige, dili kita, dili. My name is Opaya. Ark Jo Aaron. Hoy!